First of all, for game 11, the cartoon strip is in the monitor. Good luck. You guys, we do have one more big round of Flash to play next. Between now and the end of that round of Flash, last call for Bingo Shark strips on the float with their strip sellers. They are $10 each, and it's paying $20,000. Thanks, hold on. Batting 1,000. Here we go, playing game 11. Cartoon strip. Looking for a single. Oh, no, we're not. We're looking for an either or blackout in the top, middle, and bottom face, and single line in the second and fourth face. First of all, 48. Nine. $36. 41. $60. 65. All right. Players
Michelle,
to my left, if you won on that high five flash, will you raise your hand for Cynthia? And we'll get the right side of the room in just a moment.
Do you have a medium?
I do. I gotta go over there and do some.
62.
Thank you.
T-shirts, $25. T-shirts, $25.
59. $12. $13. That's $20 to the queen. $6.
T-shirts, $25.
Seven. All right, high five winners on the right hand side of the room. Will you raise your hand for sin? 49. 8.
Every dollar counts.
Thank you, last winners. $51. $34. We are looking for one last winner on the high five flash that has not been paid. Cynthia, all the way back. $22. $26. Thank you, last winners. 18. $28. $64. $44. $25. $29. 27. Bingo on 27. Hold your cards to the right of the collar stand. Just got it raised up, about halfway back. If it's a good bingo, we're gonna play Sports Mania next.
I needed 2 numbers.
She's been waiting. Kat, she was waiting forever. Forever.
Cynthia, good serial number.
Damn, you needed that.
Last digit.
I was
Forever.
praying you got
I was
that
trying to be
shit.
so quiet.
I was
Me too.
trying.
I didn't say a word.
She was waiting for 67. I've been waiting for 67, 64 for like 10.
Two big free
15
spots. 1,
numbers.
2, 3. That's a winner. 27 in the fourth base. A good call up bingo. 3 after the
Forever.
others.
For like 10 numbers.
Go. Did somebody say bingo?
Over 10 numbers, right?
I was
Yeah.
down.
Cynthia.
Down.
One more to
I was
the
sitting here
left.
quiet. I was like,
You
it's
ready?
gotta come up. And he kept stalling to call the number.
Fucking eyes.
That's because I've stayed quiet my whole fucking life.
Oh my God, that's crazy. Forever. I was just like, I was like,
Their
I
second
know
call.
everybody can see my heart beating out of my chest.